Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. It is a good day here at Ngavi CAD 2D drawing, and today we have come to talk about properties and and groups. Yeah, properties and groups are found in the home tab. Yeah, under here properties and groups. Properties enable us to change the characteristics of objects which we have drawn here, and groups enables us to group objects which can be made to transfer, okay, which we can help us to format the objects at once in case we need to do so. Yeah, so without going far, we shall start with the properties. Yeah, so in area where you have properties, let's say we have our two objects. We have a circle and a rectangle, and let's say we need to change the properties of this circle and this rectangle. Yeah, we shall come here to properties. One of the properties we have is color, where we can be able to change the color of these objects. Then the next property we have the line thickness of the lines. Here they call it line weight. And the other thing we have the type of line. We have the type of line. It can be continuous, it can be dotted, it can be iso dash. Then the other thing we have is transparency. Yeah, and also we have merge properties. As I told you while we were administering layers, we have merge properties. And then, yeah, we shall talk about these ones as we continue. Yeah, so the icons of these properties show here. Here we have the color, here we have the line weight. I think you can see lines of different sizes, and here we have the different types of lines, dotted, continuous. Yeah, so without going far, if we are changing, let's say to change the color of this circle, what we do, we have to highlight the circle and then come to this by layer color, and we format the color we want. Yeah, when we press escape, you will see the color has changed to green, which we chose. Yeah, so if you want to change the maybe the line thickness, that's what we shall do. We click here and we come here, line thickness, let's say 20 millimeters. Yeah, press enter, escape. Yeah, so you will see the line thickness of this becoming 0.8 millimeters. If you want to change it maybe to 2 point, yeah, you see it's changing to that size. Yeah, so then the other thing, if I want to change the type of line, yeah, here we have continuous. Others, we can go to others and then we load. It brings us several types of lines. Yeah, iso dash, this. Yeah, so we after we select this, we press OK, anyone, so it's here. And when we choose this, press OK. Yeah, you will see it. We press this, go here, go to dashed and press enter. Okay, we shall find it dashed. Yeah, so that's how it is. It's working with the by layer. So if you want to change, maybe, yeah, the scale was too small, if I can increase this, if I can increase this. We have the color, we have the layer, we have the line type, we have the scale, line type, scale. If we change this one, let's say to 10, press enter. Line weight, transparency, thickness, this one we can also change it to 2, press enter. And plot style, like that, we close. Yeah, when we choose this and we choose the dashed, yeah, we shall be able to see it here. So the reason why it was not showing dashed, that the reason it was not doing this, it is because the scale of it was, the scale was maybe it was 0, and then now it couldn't bring the dashed ones. So if we change this one to maybe 20, press enter and we close here, yeah, you will see the gaps being increased. Yeah, so when we come, we select this and we go to dashed, yeah, escape, you will see the lines being changed. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, let's say we have another one, another rectangle. We can also change the 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 we can also change the color of this one, maybe to red or cyan. We can change the line weight maybe to 0.30, or we can change this one, go to other, and we load. Let's say we want ISO long dash dot, press OK, press OK here. So we shall click here and search here the ISO dash, which is this. We do like that, press enter. You'll be able to see it the way it is being drawn here. Yeah, you shall be able to see it the way it is drawn here. Yeah, so the other thing after this, we have the transparency. We can change the transparency here, maybe to 12, press enter, and we shall be seeing the changes. Yeah, so that's it with the properties. And then the other thing I wanted to tell you about is matching properties. Yeah, if you want to match properties, let's say you want the color of this, the rectangle, to match this color of this one. Yeah, so what we shall do, we shall click match properties. We select the source object, let's say this one, and select the destination object, which is this one, press enter. You will see the properties of this being taken into this. Yeah, if you can want to see the type line which is here, you can see it is the one which we used here. So if I say Ctrl plus Z, and I come back to this one, this. So if I want to match properties, let's say this rectangle to match properties of this, we shall say match properties. It brings select the source object, which is our circle. Then it select the destination object here, press enter, and the rectangle will also take the properties of the circle. Yeah, so that's it within the properties. Yeah, and then without going far, without going to any other thing, I think we can be able to match. If we have the, let's say, circle here, another circle here, and let's say we would like to match properties of this to this one, we shall come to match properties, select the source object, and select the destination object, and press enter. Yeah, so you find this circle also having similar properties. Yeah, so then the other thing I wanted to talk about, another one, is groups. Yeah, so groups, like how we had groups. Yeah, we can make these things a group such that we can adjust them at once. Yeah, we can copy them at once, we can move them at once. Yeah, so what can we do if you want to move these objects at once? So what we shall do, we shall come to groups. Yeah, in groups we have this one is creating a group, creates a group. So what we do, click creating a group, we select the objects. If these are our objects, press enter. Yeah, this it means that our objects will be grouped. If I click on one, all of the objects will be made in one object. So if I want to copy maybe to another point, I can copy here and also copy here, press escape. Yeah, so that's how we call it a group. So if you see, this one is also one group, this is a second group, and let's say we want to make all these ones a group. All these ones a group. We shall come to group, create a group, we select the objects and we press enter, and this one all becomes one group but in 3 groups here. So what we shall do, if you want to copy this, we copy, you can move this, select this point and remove all this, let's say here. We can move this, let's say, press enter, base point, let's say we can move it here. Yeah, so groups enables us to move, scale. Also, if you want, we can scale it. Maybe select the objects, this, I press enter and select the base point. It can be here, and we can increase the scale. Yeah, see, they have increased in size. Yeah, so that's it with the groups. And then there's another thing here is ungroup. If we click here and we, let's say, click on this one, object is a member more than one object is a member of more than one group, press accept. Yeah, so we have ungrouped them at first, so if we want, we can also ungroup this one. We can come here and we ungroup, accept, and each one can be independent here. So this one is creating a new group, this one is ungrouping, and then if, let's say, I again group this, press enter, so this is one group. Yeah, so if I want to maybe edit, group edit, click on this, accept. Yeah, so I can add objects, I can remove objects, I can rename. So if I want to remove an object, I can press remove objects, click an object I want to remove, press enter, click, I can select a group. Yeah, press next. If I want to remove an object, I will come to remove object. It will ask me remove objects, and I will remove them. If I click on this one, press enter, I will be able to remove some objects from this group. Yeah, so I want to ungroup this, and group maybe this, ungroup, accept, I ungroup, and then group all these, create a group, select the objects and press enter. And this one will be one group. So if I want to edit the group, I will come to edit, I select the group. Yeah, and object is a member of more than one group. Next, object is a member of more than one group, accept. Add objects, I can add, select an object to add, maybe this, I can add it, press enter. Yeah, so if I have, let's say, a triangle here, a circle here, and let's say I edit a group, I select the group, press accept, then add objects, select the object, I click this one, press enter. Yeah, if I tap on this, also this one will be considered as a member of the group. Yeah, so if I want maybe to remove one object from here, I will come to group edit, select the group and press accept. If I remove an object, it asks me the object to remove, maybe press enter. I can remove this, press enter. Yeah, so that's how it is in the groups. Then the other one is group selection. Group selection is easy, where you have to come and select a group. Yeah, so group selection, selecting a certain group. Yeah, so that's it with groups in AutoCAD. Yeah, it enables us to group objects, and then we can work on these objects very easily. Let's say if you want to copy, if you want to paste, if you want to mirror. Let's say I like mirroring very much. Escape. If I create this object, create a group, press enter. Uh, and group. So if I first ungroup this, enter. So object is on its own. Yeah, escape. If I want to group this, create a new group, select the objects, press enter, and each object will be a group. Create a group. Yeah, so each one will be of it. So if you want to mirror maybe these ones, we can come here in the mirror command, select, specify the mirror line, maybe this. Yeah, I will be able to see it here. Yeah, so groups enables us to edit a group of things with ease and with accuracy. Yeah, so that's what we had for today. If you are new on this channel, please, I'm good friend, I'm from AutoCAD drawing sessions. Consider subscribing to our channel and let it be interesting. Yeah, for the people who are watching our video, thank you very much, and like, share and comment our videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new on this channel, and always hit the notification bell so that you can never miss out on any upload. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye. Let me see you in our next video.